Ouch! Poet! You blew it. Wait, no, let's reframe that more positively, just like what your therapist keeps telling you. Yes, you got dumped by Marvel Technology, which canceled all purchase orders tied to Celestial AI, citing breaches of confidentiality related to disclosed order and shipping details, including initial production units first announced in April 2023. But remember, there are plenty of fish in the sea. Keep focusing on your AI and optical networking strategy, and keep fulfilling orders for other customers like that separate $5 million deal with an unnamed tech firm. And with strong AI-related demand, other manufacturing partners can't be too far away. Though in the current moment on the chart, watch to see if price can hold over 7. Otherwise, it could really be a fall from heaven, as that area has been a key historic threshold. In such a case, those old downtrend lines could become useful again. Hyperscale data still on this Hyperscale slide, reapplying pressure on the lower range, where we could see another bounce if price doesn't close under 14 in the next 3 days and selling volume stays at well below average levels. Then to look at the optimistic silver lining around this long-term bearish build, excitement echoed quietly, as Hyperscale announced that its subsidiary Alt Global Commodities Inc. has partnered with Scottsdale Mint, LLLP, through a purchase agreement to acquire precious metals and rare earth minerals, including silver, gold, platinum, and palladium. This builds on Hyperscale's Bitcoin and silver reserve strategies, aiming to strengthen its balance sheet with tangible assets. Hyperscale views these holdings as complementary to its digital asset treasury, enhancing long-term value and resilience. Executives from all parties emphasized the partnership's role in enabling efficient accumulation and management of physical commodities as part of a broader strategy focused on diversified long-term asset growth. In a similar way, Surf Air Mobility made an announcement to help give it some cushion against persisting bear attacks. In this case, it revealed 2 new AI-powered modules within its Surf OS system to improve airline efficiency and reduce costs. The fuel optimization module tracks fuel usage versus plans, reconciles vendor invoices to detect billing errors, and analyzes performance across routes, aircraft, and crews, helping identify savings opportunities and improve negotiations. The Crew Reserve Optimization module automates staffing by calculating demand-based reserve needs, identifying coverage gaps, and reducing inefficiencies from manual scheduling. Both tools are already in use in the company's operations and aim to bring more disciplined, data-driven management to regional air travel. Executives say these additions enhance visibility and decision-making, with AI increasingly moving from providing insights to actively recommending operational actions. In turn, this helps alleviate pressure on the $1 boundary and even produce potential for another shot at 146 if positive sentiments can keep price from closing under 106 over the next week, with volume at or above 5 million. As for ROLR, it's been busily rolling the dice on those double digits, again thanks to attention ahead of its planned U.S. prediction markets launch, driven by strong retail community momentum and speculation around a potential short squeeze due to tight float and high short interest. ROLR has secured strategic marketing partnerships with Leverage Game Media and Forever Network to boost brand awareness and user acquisition through large, engaged social audiences. It has also partnered with Crypto.com to offer regulated event-based contracts, positioning itself within a rapidly growing market that could exceed $1 trillion in the U.S. alone. Together, these moves aim to establish ROLR as a scalable player at the intersection of gaming, trading, and digital engagement. Prompting positivity, it could still be building a shallower long-term incline away from the firm $5 boundary, even if it doesn't rapidly rocket into double-digit territory. Making a move like Critical Metals, which got more rocket fuel towards testing that long-term downtrend line for a shot at the 15 level, thanks to its plans to acquire European Lithium Limited in an all-stock deal valued at about $835 million, aiming to consolidate full ownership of the Tanbreeze rare earth project in Greenland. The transaction would simplify ownership, strengthen financing capabilities, and support development of one of the world's largest rare earth deposits amid rising global demand. European Lithium shareholders would receive 0.035 shares of Critical Metals per share. The deal would also eliminate European Lithium's 34% stake in critical metals, increase public float, and add roughly $219 million in cash to the balance sheet. The acquisition is expected to enhance liquidity and flexibility while positioning critical metals as a key supplier for clean energy, defense, and advanced technologies. Completion is targeted for the second half of 2026.